It's said that diamonds are the biggest capital scam of the century because supposedly all you need to do is mix graphite into molten iron, stir it thoroughly, quench it in cold water, then dissolve the remaining iron in strong hydrochloric acid, and voila, you'll have an endless supply of diamonds. To test this wild claim, Grant reached out to a diamond making expert. Together they mixed graphite and iron chunks, then placed the blend into a forge. After 2.5 hours of intense heat, they poured the molten mixture into water to cool it down. Grant was convinced that under the right conditions, carbon could transform into diamond. Excited, he scooped up the cooled material and poured a bottle of concentrated hydrochloric acid over it to dissolve the surface iron. Confident in his theory, Grant believed that after soaking for 2 days, diamonds would begin to form. Meanwhile, Kari had heard of another DIY diamond method. Coat graphite with peanut butter, then heat it in a microwave for 2 hours, and supposedly you'd get a giant diamond. So she decided to try it, but just 2.5 minutes in, the microwave began smoking and sparking, eventually blowing up 3 microwaves before she finally ended up with a chunk of rough black residue. She burned off the remaining carbon with high heat, which left behind a dish of dark liquid. But was there any diamond in it at all? On the other side, Tori had a more scientific approach. He pointed out that natural diamonds form when carbon is exposed to extreme heat and pressure deep within the earth. To recreate that, he prepared a large chunk of graphite mixed with ferric nitrate, and to make his experiment extra special, he even sacrificed a diamond ring, using it as part of the raw material. Then he placed everything inside a pressure cooker for an extended diamond making session. 2 days later, they opened the pot, but nothing had changed. The graphite and the ring looked exactly the same. They then took all their creations to a lab for analysis. Under the microscope, both Grant's and Kari's samples turned out to be nothing more than black carbon, and Tori's 2-day diamond stew showed no transformation whatsoever. It looked like the diamond-making myths were completely busted until they received a call from an expert who claimed he could actually create a flawless diamond.